Christina from the Demonstration Theaters Department here at Carnegie Science Center, and welcome to our Something to Watch series, where we explore fun and educational science videos for kids, parents, and teachers. Today we are in our body stage, sponsored by Allegheny Health Network, and we are going to be making one of my favorite and most nutritious snacks, a fruit smoothie. Now before we get started, I'm going to help us practice some safe science by taking off my mask and putting on my face shield. This will help us to hear all of our ingredients and follow all of the steps a little bit easier before we get started. So let me put on my face shield, take off my mask, and now we're good to go. This really fun science experiment today is sponsored by our friends at Growing Great and Del Monte Foods. Today in our video, we're going to be using some of our favorite ingredients that we find here in our body stage kitchen. And we're hoping to explore and learn something new along the way. So let us grow together and start cooking. Though it may be chilly outside here in Pittsburgh, that doesn't mean we can't make a cool, delicious treat. Today we will be making Del Monte's breakfast fruit smoothie. In order for us to get started, we are going to need a blender, 1 cup non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 can of Del Monte's light or no sugar added sliced pears drained, half a cup of 100% pomegranate juice, half a teaspoon of almond extract. Smoothies are a great, quick and easy way to get vitamins and nutrients into our bodies. They're an awesome way to kick off your morning or can be a delicious and nutritious snack. So what makes these ingredients so healthy? Well, pears are a great source of vitamin C, which helps our immune system. And they also have potassium, which helps our nerves and our muscles. Pomegranates are also high in potassium as well as antioxidants. Both of these are great wintertime fruits. You can try different combinations of fruits that you may like and have at home. Experimenting with these different flavors is science right in your kitchen. Our next ingredient is going to be Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is full of protein and calcium, which is really good for our bodies, especially our bones. Greek yogurt is also a probiotic, meaning it helps our digestive system and is really good for our gut. Greek yogurt will also help to thicken up our smoothie. Smoothies are a great nutritious drink for us to have because they're filling and they have a lot of vitamins and nutrients. They also supply our body with sugar, which is something that we need to have energy. However, not all sugars are the same. Let's take a moment to explore some of this biology science. Our body uses natural sugar and refined sugar differently, which can affect our health. Natural sugars are found in fruits and vegetables as something called fructose. Fruits and veggies also contain essential vitamins and nutrients that keep the body healthy. Natural sources of sugar are digested slower and help you feel full for longer and help our blood and cells. Some foods, however, have something called refined sugars. Refined sugars are processed sugars and can come from things like sugarcane. Our body breaks down refined sugars very fast, and since it's digested quickly, you don't always feel full after you're done eating. To learn about the different types of sugars and how our bodies use them, we have a bowl of cherries, some cherry juice, and cherry soda. Take a moment to sit and think about what kinds of sugar are in these treats, how much sugar is in them, and which would be the best fuel for you. Let's start with the cherries. 1 cup serving of cherries has 13 grams of sugar, but is also high in vitamin C and A, and contains fiber, making it a pretty healthy snack choice compared to something like a bag of fruit candies. Now we have our cherry juice and our cherry soda. You may think that the juice would be better for you than soda. However, sometimes juices can have refined and processed sugars that are both natural and added. That is why it is great to look for a juice that is 100% juice and does not list sugar as one of the first 3 ingredients on the label. Lastly, we have our pop. 1 serving of pop has about 70 grams of sugar, most of which are refined, significantly more than our other options. Now remember, different sugars help our bodies in different ways. Natural sugars, like what we find on our fresh fruits, create a slow and controlled rise in blood sugar, supplying our bodies with energy and helping us feel full longer. While our other foods with refined sugars cause our blood sugar to rapidly spike and fall, giving us a little burst of energy and then crashing. That's why it's so important to make sure that you read your food labels. It helps you know what important nutrients and fuel you are putting inside your body. Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to fill our blender. Blenders are great for really fast mixing, but they can be dangerous, so it's important to save this step for your grown-ups to do. Since all of our ingredients are measured out, we're going to now add them to our blender. First, we'll start with our Greek yogurt. Next, we're going to add our pomegranate juice. Now, it's time for our pears. And last but not least, our almond extract. Alrighty, now that we've got all of our ingredients in our blender, it's time to start blending. You'll want to blend everything inside your blender for about 30 seconds. Alright! I think we're all finished. Let's take a look. Oh yes! Our smoothie is looking perfectly smooth and quite delicious. Let's pour some out and give it a try. That is delicious and nutritious. Well, friends, thank you so much for joining us today in our Body Stage presented by Allegheny Health Network. And another huge thank you to our friends at Del Monte Foods and Growing Great for helping to sponsor this awesome kitchen experiment video. For more fun videos to watch like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visit us at www.carnegiesciencecenter.org for more fun things to watch, things to read, and things to do. Thank you so much, friends, for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Carnegie Science Center. See you, everyone!